flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur, and I am back with another video. And this is just going to be a chit chat, get ready with me 2-in-1, because I don't know if I'm gonna see if I'm gonna show y'all my outfit or not, or 3-in-1, whatever. We'll see where it goes. But basically, we're gonna just talk a little bit. I'm gonna tell you about where my channel is going and all the things that I've been thinking about with me almost reaching 1K, y'all. It's coming soon. I'm really excited. So if you want to see this, get ready with me, and you want to chit chat with your girl, keep on watching. So I've already primed my face, and I'm gonna do my base first, and then we'll do eyes and all that good later. So we're gonna start with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 450, and I usually just put it all over my face and just act crazy. I don't need full coverage, but I like full coverage, so you already know. So hey, what's up with y'all? How's everybody doing? Basically I wanted to come on camera and kind of post a video on like nice little makeup look, but also to let you guys know like where I see my channel going in the future, and wherever this conversation may go, this conversation may go. So I just want to start by saying that I am so grateful for all of the subscribers that I actually do have right now. I am like so proud of this. I just started taking my channel seriously this year, and like it's grown so much that I started taking it seriously. And I don't know if it's clear on, you know, I watch a lot, I do a little research, and a lot of people talk about how you need to know what your niche is on your channel, and I do know what my niche is, but I feel like you guys don't know. So I'm going to start making sure I incorporate that more in my videos, so that you guys can understand why I do so much stuff. It's all incorporated in beauty and fashion, but there's a reason why. Yeah. So I'm using my Morphe concealers for my highlight and my contours. But yeah, so basically my whole thing is affordability. If anyone, if you pay attention to my videos, you see a lot of the things that you do see a lot. I don't mention it much, but I will make an effort to mention it more. Is like most of the time I want to do things that are affordable. So for example, the reason why I do my own nails is so that I can save money, because start doing all my own stuff just to save that money, like $60 to $100 every 2 weeks on nails, that's a lot of bread, sis. So I decided to do my nails, to learn how to do my nails basically for affordability. So that is the niche of my channel. So now that I've started things like try-on hauls, and I'm going to be doing them a little bit more frequently, everything will be affordable. Y'all, I promise y'all, the way that I shop, and y'all going to see, because I'm going to make sure that I gear everything towards that. To be quite honest with y'all, I got this Fenty foundation on a gift card. So. But yeah, so it's like, you know, I just want to make sure that I tell you guys like, you know, my channel is going that way. Even DIYs, like part of the reason why I do some DIYs, and you'll see that in the future, is because some things that I want, and it's like $1,000 for a pair of shoes or whatever, can't afford that. Like $1,000 for a pair of shoes? Okay. Make sure that I mention things like daddy on a budget, affordability, cheap girl, frugal. Those are the type of terms that you're going to start hearing me make sure that I mention on my channel, when it comes to a lot of the content that I create, so that you can understand like what my purpose is. Because my purpose is to be, you know, and it's been my purpose is to be as fabulous as possible, and save coin, like a coin. Okay, so like I have so many things planned for y'all. I'm so excited. Once I hit 1K, there will be a giveaway. This is my Pretty Vulgar translucent powder so there will be another video posted and everything after that for 31 days, because I am attempting, no, matter of fact, I'm not attempting, I am going to succeed at this. I am going to do 31 days on Halloween. So There may not be a Halloween-esque video the whole way through, but you will have a video every day. So it'll have to be like a costume, but I have some great costumes to show y'all, all of that good stuff. So 31 days of Halloween starts tomorrow, y'all. So I'm about to do my brows, but I don't know why I was about to start these brows on camera, but I'm about to go do my brows and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do eyes. Okay, so first of all, let's get into the fact that I was only supposed to do my brows and I did one on my eyes just to make sure I liked it, and I do really think this is pretty. However, I stepped away, walked around, so all of this has been baking way too long, and I don't care because my skin will still oil up and do what it gotta do. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing the other eye. I'm gonna go ahead and prime it with my Sistar Cosmetics concealer in the color Golden Beige, and this is the concealer that I always use to prime my lids. Y'all, Morphe done got the P. Louise bases, so I am planning on ordering a few of those. Oh my gosh, guys, what do you think about doing some thrifting vlogs and stuff like that? I want to go thrifting next weekend and I want to take you guys with me. Let me know if that's something down in the comments that you would be willing to see in the future, because I love to thrift and I haven't thrifted in so long. Just a little quick story time at the reason why I'm so cheap. And this is not a long story time, so I'll tell you right now. It's like when I was in college during the recession, both of my parents were unemployed, and they had to pay for me to go out of school out of pocket based on the amount that they used to make. My parents made together. I grew up in like a middle class 6-figure household with both my parents and stuff like that. So when it comes to like fast food and stuff like that, they made too much money. So all in all, when they had lost their income, they were on that financial plan of still how much they were making when they were making money. So I had to like either just go to school and just like figure out a way to like do like my own stuff, and that is how I started doing hair for other people and stuff like that. And that is how we was born. That was how I bloomed. That's how I blossomed. That's how I became LaFleur, even though I wasn't calling myself LaFleur back then, but that's how I became like literally who I am today. So like it was a crazy situation, but I wouldn't have the skill that I have today if I hadn't had that push. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Anyway, so we're going to go in with the matte book from the Crayon case. And this, we do the whole eye with this palette. This is one of my favorite palettes because all of the colors are matte. Hello. So we're going to go in first with this darkest brown color right here. And we're just going to put this in the crease area. Okay, so after that color, we're going to go in with this blending brush right here. And we're going to use this color right here. You know what? What's on my desk? I just put my titty on the table. This sucks. We're gonna go in with the color under the brow bone, and we're gonna use this lighter brown color right here. So now that we have this part done, we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease, and we're gonna use the same concealer that I was gonna say contoured. What? Crease? Cut the crease with? I mean, prime the lid with. We're gonna use that same concealer. You guys have seen me cut the crease so many times before, so this shouldn't be nothing I didn't see before. The personality is on. Whoa. Did I do that right? Whoa. I'm sorry. Wait. Stand by. Okay. We're back. Okay. We're back, sis. We're back. I almost messed it up my cut crease from all that laughing because I am like really silly. So Now that my eyes are done, I'm going to finally brush off this powder because we've been baking way too long. So this is my Black Radiance Contour Palette. You know what I really have been wanting to get into? I really want to get into bronzer. Like, I use this so much and I love it. I haven't gotten into bronzer, but Fenty came out with bronzers and I still haven't tried it. And I really want to give it a try because when I see the darker skin girls use it, I'm like, ooh, like I love that. This is my Alamar Blush Trio, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the color Isla or Isla. Come on, y'all. Isla. I think that's island in Spanish. This thing has dropped so many times. Like a lot of these things that are looking like I hit pan. No, sis, they broke.
Oh my gosh, I love this. You see that? That's gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Believe it or not, when I get dressed, sometimes when I don't know what I want to wear, I do my makeup and let whatever my makeup is inspire me to my outfit. Like, does anyone else do that? I'm going in with my Black Radiance setting spray. I need to order some more setting spray from Morphe, and I need some more hangover one. I haven't had a hangover one in like at least 6 months, which is horrible. So while that is setting, because you know I'm gonna do my lashes and stuff off camera. So what I'm gonna do is do my lips. So I'm gonna go in with this purpley kind of dark deep purple, like eggplant lip liner. Okay, so now this is my Posh, my Mellow Cosmetics lipstick in the color Posh. As you can see, like that. You see that? I'm going to bring that down because I'm not about to apply it that high up. But
That's a pinky nude. I love it. I don't know if I'm going to gloss this or keep it matte because my eyes are so matte. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, so I'm going to go do my lashes and I'm going to go get my wing liner and apply it together. So I'll be right back.
okay, so my face is completed. We did our liner, our lashes. I did my little beauty marks. This is the only one that's real. Who cares? With the wig that I've actually done a review on via Diasa Hair. I'm just going to go ahead and throw in the wig. Y'all, I'm so sad because I really think that I threw away my blast spray because I really don't want to gel this down too much, to be quite honest with y'all. I'm gonna go in with my Got2B Glued Gel, whatever, and I'm just gonna push this back a little bit so I can get it on my forehead.
I'm going to grab it real fast because it's already coming up on this side for some odd reason. I'm not going to apply anymore. I'm not going to lie. This is what you do when you're me and you're lazy and you know this wig is coming off tonight. I bet you it will stay on all night too. Like, you'll be surprised. Like, even though I'm doing it real laxy daisy.
So I think I'm going to go ahead and get my outfit on. What should I wear? Should I wear something from my try-on haul? I don't know. Okay, y'all, so we are changed and we are back. Let's take this headscarf off so we can make sure that our wig look alright, because we clearly was lazy with it today. And it ain't bad. It did lay down pretty good. Alright, you guys, so this concludes my get ready with me 2-in-1. I'm probably not going to show y'all my outfits because I'm going to be quite honest with y'all. I don't like it. So I'm probably going to change several more times. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I do upload a video, you're notified. Thumbs up this video. Comment, like, share, subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.
Oh, wait. Don't go away. We still got an hour.